More bounce to the ounce, yeah, baby. More bounce to the ounce. Hey, how's it going? It's Martin Ross, and today we're going to learn how to play more bounce to the ounce. Due to time constraints, I will be using my camera mic, so bear with me on that. Also, I do have a cover with Dr. John Hurd. Link is in the description. Before we get into the video, leave a like, leave a comment, let me know what you think. Hit the subscribe button and click the bell. Most important, share to somebody that might want to play the song. So without further ado, let's learn. All right, so we're going to learn how to play more bounce to the ounce. The scale is played in F major, and the notes are going to be F, G, A, B, C, D, E, and F. Again, F, G, A, B flat, C, D, E, F. So starting the beginning of the song, you're going to go more bounce, more bounce, more bounce, more bounce, much more bounce, much more bounce. Now, with that part, you can use a pitch wheel. And using the pitch wheel, we'll go like this. Much more bounce. Or you can just flutter the note by pressing that A. Much more bounce. Whichever works. All right, so the main part, the hook, more bounce to the ounce, it's going to go like this. I'm giving you more bounce to the ounce. More bounce to the ounce. Again. I'm giving you more bounce to the ounce. More bounce to the ounce. All right, and then we got kind of like the verse part. Look at your baby. Look at your mama. You've got to let loose, sweet baby. Sweet baby. Sweet baby, 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 more bounce, more bounce. Ooh, ya got to, ooh-wee, ooh-wee, ooh yeah. Get on the dance floor, baby. Get down, mama. All right, we're gonna do it again. Look at your baby. Look at your mama, you got to let loose, sweet baby, sweet baby, sweet baby, 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 more bounce, more bounce, ooh, you got to, ooh-wee, ooh-wee, ooh-wee. Get on the dance floor, baby. Get down, mama. Yeah. All right, so now we're going to go kind of to like the glissando part using G, A, B flat, C, and D. Ooh, wow. All right, and there it is. I know that was quick. If you stick to the scale, you will never go wrong for this song. If you do like this song, I do also have a cover with Dr. John Hurd. The link is in the description. Please check it out. I believe it's free to download. Also, if you like the video, leave a like. Also, leave a comment. If you have any questions, you've gotten this far, subscribe and click that bell. And if you know somebody that likes a video, please share it. This is Martin Ross teaching you how to play more bounce to the ounce. Y'all have a great Talkbox Tuesday.
get down,